Welcome back, David here again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. Super easy way. We're going to be using one of the videos we've used in the past, and this is it. So I'm going to bring in this video of the dancing lady. I like to use this image because she's happy, and we are in a world where we need to be happy. No matter what you think is happening, stay happy, and I'm sure you're gonna have fun. So yes, we have this image. We're gonna go from click on video and then BG background remover. Okay, remove BG. So we click on that, and this time instead of auto remover works well with the background being filled with extra element, like we can see this background. But when you want to remove green screen, all we need is chroma key. So we're going to hit on chroma key, and then we'll have the ability to pick colors. It's color picker. Click on this pen you see here, and then we want to pick this green out like that, and then we want to increase the intensity. Do it gradually, okay, by just increasing it like that. And once you're okay with it, then we are good to go. You don't want to overdo it. It's going to chop into the skin, so you just want to make sure you are doing it minimally and checking the video to see it's working well, like the air. Okay, as you can see, you don't want to overdo it. All right, we don't want to overdo it. At the same time, we don't want it to look like the greens are showing. We just want to make sure we are in between it. Don't overdo it, so that when she's dancing you can realize, okay, we see with this dance you can realize there's a green screen kind of. So we just want to increase that a bit. Yes, it's totally better. Now let's take it to 29. That works. And if we play it, this is how it looks. What if you want to add background to it? What if you want to add a video to the background? Now let me show you how to do that. So we'll just go to the beginning and we'll bring in this video. All right, we'll bring in this video, and we are just going to move it downwards. Okay, sorry, we'll move it downwards. It needs to be down like so. So now we have these two image. We have the lady dancing, and we have the A creators at the back. So we can play it now, and you see we've removed the green screen and we have a video playing at the back. Let me play it for you so that you can see what it looks like right about now.
Hey there, future video editing maestros. Welcome to this transformative CapCut video editing tutorial for complete beginners. Today, we would be your guide.
And now that we have this video, I can also tell you can actually reduce it. If you go back to basics, you can actually reduce the scale from here and just put somewhere at the edge, and she can dance along and just see the way it looks.
Today, we would be your guide on a journey from novice to pro editor. And the best part, it's all 100% free.
Okay, so you can see how easy it is to remove green screen from video using the AI capability in CapCut PC. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.